sometime in life. It's all about green. It's all about traveling. It's all about taking that courage and going outside, explore a new land. Doesn't matter being with somebody or just alone. It's all about that moment. You can go and explore. That's your achievement. A few months back, I went on a drive. I was solo and I wanted to explore a new city. A thing came in my mind and that was kitchen. So I just took my car, went on a drive, reached a land with all green, lushy, lakes around me, the water flowing outside. It was just beautiful, beautiful. And today I'm gonna take you to that beautiful land, leads to that hike, which I experienced, and in my personal opinion, it was one of the best experiences I had it. Because after all, I was on a solo trip. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Suraj and you guys are watching Indica Lens. So it's been 5 months I have posted any video or made any video. I feel bad, but yeah, I can't give an excuse. That's coronavirus, right? We all been going through this and we all been facing the heat of it. So nothing new in my life. My life has been single over here, so I have to work twice to make money as well and to spend some time on this. I have to spend extra amount of time, so sometimes I don't have to sleep. Before I was taking government support and I had a much more better life because I was not struggling. Now it's like the things started opening up. We all have to work. When I work, I don't focus on this. So things were like on a different page and I couldn't make any videos. Anyways, a few months ago, as I said, and I gave you a nice introduction, so I don't have to tell much about it, but still I have to as a sake of formality. A few months ago, about 5 months ago, I visited to this beautiful city called Kitchener and I explored two beautiful, amazing spots. One, Cambridge Butterfly Conservative Park, and second was Elora Gorge. My favorite spot was the Elora Gorge, and Cambridge Butterfly Conservative Park was okay. Let me give you a few information about Cambridge Butterfly Park. So this conservative park is privately owned and owned by a Canadian corporation. It's spread across 107 acre site, which includes environmental sensitive. So you can imagine this place is huge. It's not that tiny I was expecting, but I couldn't find much of thing for my taste. So I won't say in that way, but if you are going with your family or friends or having a bunch of kids, this will definitely give them a lot more of information. So it's a good place definitely to visit for one time for sure. So this park was opened in January 26, 2001 as a wing of Paradise Butterfly Conservative, and in 2010 it changed its name from Cambridge Butterfly Conservative to more accurately reflect the Butterfly Conservatory's location and purpose. So this conservatory is governed by a board of directors committed to conservation, education and research, and to provide visitors to the conservatory with a truly unique, affordable and educational family experience. So you can ask any of the volunteers over there. They will definitely help you. They will definitely tell you much more about the park and the species which are flying across or the species which are there in the park. So not only just butterfly, you can see turtles, you can see some insects like grasshoppers and some amazing small insects which you probably never see in your real life. So definitely one spot to visit. Not as my taste, but 100% you can definitely visit. So the second spot I visited was my favorite spot, and it's called Elora Gorge. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place. I said it 3 times because I really enjoyed that vibe. So my life was going through a depression during that time. I lost my friends. I'm being honest, I lost few of my friends, and I was in a dilemma that I should continue my work or I should step back, just don't do anything. So just to kill that, I decided, I should go for a hike. because that was one of the things I wanted to do. My god, that was a tough hike. But anyways, so that one thing I wanted to do was hike, and I don't know, I somehow got this motivation, or you can say courage, to go outside and explore a new place. So I took my car, went to Butterfly Conservatory Park, and after that I right away visited towards my favorite spot, my decided spot that I'm gonna be hiking that day. But unfortunately, again, I said it was too crowded because it was a wrong day. I chose Saturday, and it was overcrowded, like super overcrowded. And because of the COVID, a lot of people were just gathered over there so that they can get a free vibe, green vibe. You know, nature is more close to human beings. So I think because of that, a lot of people were there. I would highly recommend you guys for this place. 2021 is coming, and you should 100% put it on your itinerary. If you are traveling from, or if you are visiting from Toronto, I would say it takes you about hour and a half of drive. It's about 90 kilometers from Toronto. So if you go straight, you have to go towards northwest of Toronto, and it's a nice peaceful drive because it's out of the city. So expect an amazing summer drive. And yeah, the beauty is amazing, the drive is amazing. You're gonna put some music and enjoy your vibe of drive. By the time you finish some of your favorite playlists, you will be there in Elora Gorge. And if you're going there, I would say do some camping, splash pad. I didn't have much of time to do all of those things, but if you guys have time, do that. It's beautiful. Some of the spots I couldn't visit because I was limited with the time, and with those shoots and all thing, I couldn't do it. But if you guys are going, definitely do it. With that said, guys, enjoy the last cinematic sequence. Give it a thumbs up, like my video, and if you have anything else to let me know, please put it in the comment section. If you want me to do anything else, please let me know. I would try my best to make a video on that as well, but I am pretty sure my next video is going to take me about 2 more months because I have things lined up, and unfortunate. But anyways, take care, guys. I hope the 2021 goes good. Happy New Year again, guys, and take care. Peace out.
What's up, everybody? I'm actually doing hiking. It's fun. I am in Kitchener and it's actually fun. Let me show you this hike. This is kind of in the middle of a jungle. So this is called Elora Gorge. So I'm actually doing a hiking, and this hike is about 3 kilometers. Sorry about the mask. I have to because the public route. Because of the public route, I have to wear the mask. And I'm talking really low because it's actually overcrowded than I expected. Cambridge Butterfly Conservatory Park was not worth it. 15 bucks for that, and I finished that in like 40 minutes because there was nothing. Even I stressed it out, but 40 minutes was way more than enough. This one I paid 7 bucks. Seems like it's pretty worth it.
So I spent about a couple hours going here and there, seeing different places, taking shots, and eventually it was time for me to call it a day. I was tired after doing a lot of hike, and you know what, it was a great experience. I would recommend you, as I said before, I would highly recommend you, if summertime you're coming here, definitely you will have a great time, great experience. So with that said, guys, you guys take care. I will see you in my next video. I don't know when it is gonna happen, but whenever it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen. So till then, you guys take care. Peace out, guys. Keep rocking, and yeah, give it a thumbs up, like my video, share it among your friends, and say it in the comments, and peace out.